Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 680, and today's topic is the health benefits and nutritional value of EV gourd. And in North India we call it kundru, especially in UP and Delhi. And this is a type of vegetable, and its origin goes to China, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and of course India. It is a tropical vegetable, and if we go to long history, the origin is from East African forest, and from there it was identified, and then slowly it came to Asia and we started cultivating in these countries. And this fruit is also known as baby watermelon or little gourd, and commonly it is EV gourd. It belongs to Cucurbitaceae family. It is a type of climber and it grows in tropical countries. This EV gourd, or we call it a little gourd, is shiny green with white patches or blend of white and green shining color, and it is just like cucumber, but cucumber is neutral in taste, and since kundru is very rich in vitamin C, so that's why it is having little acidic in taste. It is having lot of medicinal importance, especially health benefit as a vegetable. The first health benefit of kundru is that if someone who is having the constipation or the problem of bowel movement, it is very effective kundru vegetable. The reason is that it has B1, that is thiamine, and B2, that is riboflavin vitamin, and also it is rich in beta carotene, that is provitamin A, and these vitamins, they are responsible of making it chemically laxative. So it becomes laxative and it has mucilage property. So because of this reason, it works as a very good laxative, and it is very effective for those people who are having constipation or the problem of bowel movement. If they can take the vegetable, it will drastically reduce such conditions. And also it is very good for diabetic people. Diabetic people means those who are having the problem of sugar level high, and since it contains healthy B group of vitamin, and these B group of vitamin, they are very good for digestive system. They act as coenzyme like B1 and B2, and because of this, your in digestive system, the reactions, metabolic process will be little bit slow. So in that case, the sugar release out of decomposition of your carbohydrate will be slow. So that's why in blood, lot of sugar percentage will not be very high immediately, because it will regulate. It is also very good for those people who are having tendency of hypertension, and even it works as antihistamine, means anti-allergic. And also it is reported that it also reduces fever. So if suppose somebody is having some fever, in that condition, it's better to give kundru vegetable, so it will reduce the body temperature. It is also good for your kidney and liver, especially those who are having the condition of jaundice, where your liver is weak in functioning, and that's why we are suffering from liver problem. And so in that case, it is very good because it is rich in healthy vitamins, and also it is good for your kidney health. So in general, this kundru vegetable is very healthy for all of us, and in India it is considered as one of the healthy vegetable, and it is nowadays widely used. The vegetable as well as the plant for the preparation of different type of herbal supplement. So overall, this vegetable is very good for our health, and it has lot of benefits. So since avigard, that is kundru vegetable, is very rich in antioxidants, and these antioxidants are beta carotene, that is provitamin A, and vitamin C, and because of this reason, it will not allow the oxidation of lipid into bad cholesterol, and it can also help to reduce the cholesterol level in our body. It can detoxify the blood, and also because of this antioxidants, it is very good. Vitamin A and beta carotene, vitamin C, they are antioxidants, and they are very much helpful to your healthy eye, because these antioxidants, they will not allow free radicals to attack our different layers of eye cells and to kill them. This is the main role of beta carotene, vitamin A. So that's why it can protect your eye, it can protect your kidney because of the antioxidant, and these antioxidants will drastically reduce, that is called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress means your lot of normal cells are damaged. Since it is very rich in vitamin C and beta carotene, it will help a lot, and it is rich in iron also. So that's why those who are having anemic condition or iron deficiency, especially the ladies who are pregnant, they need more iron. So they should add in their diet the kundru vegetables. So here I am giving the health benefits and nutritional value of avigard, and that avigard in Indian language, it is called kundru. Its botanical name is Coccinea grandis, and it belongs to family Cucurbiaceae. Number one, avigard, in bracket I have given the Indian name, that is kundru, or we call it Coccinea grandis, also referred as baby watermelon or little gourd. So it has different names in different countries, like baby watermelon, little gourd, kundru, all these names are given. The skin of this fruit is smooth, shining green, blend of green-white colors. So it is shining green with white blended color. That is actually the color of kundru. Number two, it consists of white flesh that is similar to the taste of cucumber, but it is similar, but cucumber taste is neutral. It is very rich in vitamin C, so its taste is little bit acidic. So we cannot say it is 100% neutral like cucumber taste, but in literature they are giving that its taste is similar, not exactly same to your cucumber. It is having many health benefits. Number three, this vegetable improves the bowel movements because of the laxative qualities, and I have already told you that it is having very good fiber quantity, mucilage, as well as beta carotenoid and vitamin B1, that is thiamine, vitamin B2, that is riboflavin, and these chemicals, phytochemicals, is giving very good laxative property, and because of this laxative property, those who are having the tendency of constipation or bowel movement is very good vegetable, and if they start taking the kundru vegetable, they will not be having this bowel movement problem. That is laxative qualities, and which is due to the presence of beta carotene, B1 and B2 vitamins. Number 4, it controls blood sugar. The reason is that it is very much involved in your metabolic process, and that metabolic process is little bit reduced, so that the release of sugar in your body will slow down. That's why this vegetable also is very good for those people who are diabetic. So this vegetable controls the metabolic rate of sugar in the body. Because of this, kundru is highly recommended for diabetic patients. Those who are diabetic, they should take this vegetable, because it will at least regulate the blood sugar, and it will not allow to become very high blood sugar. Number 5, it is loaded with healthy vitamins, and that is in high quantity, and these are that is why kundru is considered as healthy food, since it is very rich in beta carotene, that is vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, and these vitamin B1, B2, they are working as a coenzyme, and they are water soluble vitamins, and they are very good for your digestive system. So that's why kundru, and it is also very rich in vitamin C and beta carotene, that is provitamin A, and also in iron. That's why this kundru in whole of the Asia, including India, is considered to be very healthy vegetable and food in the many part of Asia, including India. It is very rich in vitamin C, A, B1, B2, which helps to improve immune system. It is rich source of iron also. It has the nephritic as well as antihistaminic property. Nephritic property means it can reduce hypertension. Those who are having tendency of hypertension, you take this vegetable. So that is called anaphylatic property, and it is also antihistamine property. Antihistamine means once you have some allergy, means nose running, sneezing, coughing, asthma, so it suppresses all these allergies. So that's why it is also having that is called as antihistaminic property. Kundru is with meals help to lower fever. This is also reported in literature that kundru helps to reduce the fever. If you have fever, temperature a little bit high, and if you take kundru as a vegetable, it will slowly reduce the temperature, that is your fever. And it is rich in antioxidants which assist our body to eliminate various illness conditions. Since it is very rich in antioxidants, it will drastically reduce oxidative stress, and that oxidative stress is involved in various type of illness like dementia, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and some cholesterol problem, cardiovascular problem. All these are drastically reduced because of the richness of antioxidants, and these antioxidants are that is beta carotene and vitamin C. Then number 6, it is widely used to cure jaundice and also asthma, bronchitis. So asthma, bronchitis is allergic, and that is jaundice is liver problem. So it is very much helpful to treat all these diseases, and also it is good for your healthy kidney and liver. Asthma, bronchitis, it also helps to reduce that is cholesterol level. Include kundru is your diet because it can cure your kidney, liver, eye, heart, and can detoxify your blood. It is also very good detoxifier. So if we are including all these phytochemicals and medicinal compounds, your kundru vegetable is very healthy food for you. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.